prepare to feast with the beast and smash the like and subscribe button to join the gorilla family.
Welcome to our kitchen. Today we're diving into the world of flavors with a delightful mixed vegetable curry. Get ready for a culinary journey as we blend vibrant vegetables, aromatic spices, and rich curry goodness. Let's spice things up together. It's time to create a symphony of tastes that will tantalize your taste buds. Stay tuned for a mouth-watering experience. Start by caramelizing onions and then add ginger, garlic, green chili paste and sauté till it gets golden. Next up, add tomatoes with a ladle of water along with salt, red chili turmeric, dry coriander, cumin, and cook till the tomatoes get mushy. Once the tomatoes are mushy, add vegetables with water. Cook on medium flame till the vegetables are done. Garnish with green coriander and enjoy with bread or rice. Ingredients: potatoes, cut into cubes, 2 pieces. Carrots, cut into cubes, 2 pieces. Cauliflower flowerlets, 250 gram peas, 250 gram. Onion chopped, 1 piece. Tomatoes, chopped. 2 pieces. Ginger garlic paste. 2 tablespoons green chili paste. 1 tablespoon salt to taste. Red chili powder. 1 tablespoon turmeric. 1/5 tablespoon cumin. 1 tablespoon dry coriander. 1 tablespoon green coriander. For garnish oil, 80 ml moments.
Thanks a bunch for indulging your taste buds with us. Until next time, stay hungry and keep savoring the goodness, and make sure to like and subscribe. I'll be seeing you in the next video.